Dictionaries are unordered collection of unique values stored in key value pair. Guys, if you want to store somebody's name and roll number in a key value pair, that means name, roll number, you can use dictionary data type to store data as key value pair. In dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed, but the values can be duplicated. So that means your keys cannot be repeated, but the values can be repeated. If we try to insert a value with duplicate key, the old value will be replaced with the new one. So there will be overriding of the value. So the new value will override the old value. We can create dictionary using two ways, by enclosing key value in curly brackets or using this class. Let's see how we use it. So let's see how we'll be creating any variable with dictionary data type. So I'm naming it as DICT. I'll use curly braces, give white spaces here. I'll give curly braces, and in curly braces, I'll write the values in key value pair. So this is how you write it. Name as in key, and then column, then you will write the value. Let's say value is Peter, then comma, second key, let's say age, and then value, let's say 20, then comma, next value, this is key. So key could be company, colon, and then the value would be ABC. So this is how you create a dictionary. If you want to display data, what is there in the dictionary, you can print it. See guys, key value. Key value pair. If you want to store something in key value pair, then you will be using dictionary data type. So let me just to this side. All right. I cannot duplicate the key. Value can be duplicated, but key cannot be. Let's try that practically. So comma, I'm again writing, let's say name as key, and then would be any value, let's say James. Look at this, it's giving me error. How? Put your cursor on it. Dictionary contains duplicate key name. Please remove this key. You cannot have duplicate key in a dictionary. So that needs to be replaced. Yes, value can be duplicate. That means Peter can be repeated 2 times, but key cannot be. Now, if you wish to access this, you can write int in bracket variable name as DICT, and now you can execute it. And see, name is Peter, age is 20, company is ABC. This is how you can use it. Now we'll use various functions of dictionary. If you want to change any key value pair, you can do that too. So for example, I want to change the name. Name is Peter right now. I want to change it to maybe James. I'll write here name, and then here I'll assign value as, now let's see, let's execute. We'll print it after this. So I'm putting this line beneath it. So now let's execute it. See, name is James now. Earlier names was Peter, now it is James. So you can change value like this. You have to give key here and then the value. This is how you can change it. If you wish to delete any value in dictionary, you can simply write name of the variable. It is DICT, then dot pop. Here also you will write the key. Let's say I want to remove age. Age. I want to remove this entry only, so age can be removed. Let's see. We'll execute this also. See, it's just name and company now. So this is how you can remove it also. So these are various operations on dictionary. These are also considered as a collection thing, like we did it in Java. So it's like collection. You can have multiple set of data in it.